Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO iQOO Z10 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. Right now we are in the standard photo mode, so just tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner, and here the second row is connected with the timer. We've got 4 different options, so off, 3, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option like to use, I'll choose 10 seconds delay, and now after tapping on the shutter button your device will count down from 10, 5 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Of course, you can also turn this option off. Just enter the settings and tap on off. And from now on, your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.